Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Klarna One Time Card UK. So first, download and open Klarna app. If you have already downloaded the Klarna app from the App Store or Google Play Store, then create a One Time Card. In app, navigate to the My Klarna section, select One Time Card to generate a virtual single-use card. Set your spending amount. Enter the total amount you plan to spend, including shipping and any applicable fees. Review and confirm the details. Use the card at checkout. When shopping online at any UK store that accepts Visa payments, choose the credit card payment option. Enter the one-time card details like card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Manage payments in the app. Your first payment will be debited 24 hours after the card is created. Subsequent payments will follow the agreed upon plan. You can view your payment schedule, pay early, or change your linked debit or credit card anytime through the app. Here is important notes for you. Single use only. Each one-time card can only be used once and expires 24 hours after creation if unused. Refunds. If you spend less than the allocated amount, you can adjust the spending amount by selecting refund unused amount on the purchase page. If not adjusted, the amount will automatically be refunded after 14 days. Accepted stores. You can use the one-time card at any UK online store that accepts Visa payments. So, hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.